Hello everyone, welcome back. When we try to log into your Snapchat account but the Snapchat says due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled, please try again later. Error on iPhone and Android devices. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to App Store and update your Snapchat. The update is available. After that, launch any browser that you are using and search for Snapchat Support. Use the first link. After loading the page, you will get this interface of the website. We have to scroll and tap contact us. On the next page, there are a lot of options, but we are going to select I can't access my account. And the second one, we have to select I see an error message when I log in. Now here you will see still need help and we have to tap on yes. Here we are going to fill the form. Put your username, then type email address, mobile number, device that you are using, when did you start having this issue, and you will take the screenshot of the Snapchat login page that you are facing the error, and here you will put everything due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity. You will type everything here to the Snapchat team and tap submit the application. Within 24 hours you will get rid of this issue by the Snapchat team. That's it.